Welcome to the Bearded Hermit. Today I'm building the ends of the greenhouse. I'll be making a door in each end. The door will end up being about 70 inches tall and 29 inches wide. Also, they will be like stable doors, a bottom part and a top part that will move independently. But for right now, I'm just making the opening for the doors. And again, I'm using clamps and a level to help me out. I have some cut off 2x4 scrap. I wanted to use them, but they're just a little too short for what I need, so I'll use them in another place. And right about this time, all the bugs decided to come out. And having a good stepladder is always a nice thing to have. Also, I will be adding some supports so I have something to screw the clear plastic panels to cover the ends. I'm really liking this trout stream, but then again, I might one day want to go kayaking down it, but who knows where I'm going to end up. On to the next morning, and I'm building the other end of the greenhouse with an identical door. If you notice, I left the 2x4s on the walls and the roof long on this end. They were exactly 20 feet, and the greenhouse is about 10 inches short of 20 feet. Instead of wasting them and cutting them off, I left them to make an overhang. This is the west-facing side of the greenhouse, and a little bit of overhang, I think, is a good thing for the weather, storms, rainwater. Hopefully it does a good job of protecting this end of the greenhouse. Again, I can see a storm starting to blow in, and I'm in a hurry to beat the rain. I finished up and took a drive to get the mail, and I can see the storm moving in. This is the end of the video. Stay safe out there, and remember, life can be good sometimes.